after the presidential and national assembly election on February 25th. So these are the 34 House of Representatives seats won by no structure party or no structureless party, Labour Party. So first of all, I will start as it is in our own way, alphabetically. Abia State, Obingwa Osisoma Ugwu Nabo Federal Constituency, Alozie Monachin won it under Labour Party. Aba North Abasa Federal Constituency, Emeka Sunday Nnamani won it. Arochukwu Ohafia Federal Constituency, Benjamin Kegezi Kalo won it. Ikwu Ano Umuahia North Umuahia South Federal Constituency, Agocha Obinna won it. Isiala Ngwa North and South Federal Constituency, Onwusibe Jinja Obinna won it. Isukwata Umu Neochi Federal Constituency, Oga Amobi Godwin won it. Then we go back to Anambra State. So back to Anambra State. Oka North, Oka South Federal Constituency, Labour Party won. Orobu Obiageli is the winner. Anambra East, Anambra West, Anyeke Peter Udo Galanya is the winner under Labour Party. Idemili North, Idemili South, Labour Party is the winner. Okonkwo Uchenna Harris. Then Dunukofia Njikoka Anocha Ozo Dinobi George Ibezimako is the winner under Labour Party. Onisha North, Onisha South Federal Constituency, Emeka Idu Godwin Obiajulu is the winner. Then moving to Calabar Municipal Odumbani Akiba Basi Benyong is the winner, going to Delta State. Aniocha North, Aniocha South, Ngozi Lawrence is the winner. Ope Sapele Uvi Etanebe Benedict is the winner to Ebonyi State. Ivo Ohozra Onitsha Federal Constituency, Osikama Nkemkama is the winner. Going to Edo State, Ego Ikpoba Oka Federal Constituency, Omorui Murphy Osaro is the winner. Oredo Federal Constituency, Iyawe Esosa is the winner under Labour Party. Going to Enugu, where Labour Party won almost all the seats in Enugu State. Anere Agwu Oji River Federal Constituency, Chijioke Stansilius Okereke is the winner under Labour Party. Enugu East, Issues of Federal Constituency, Nnamchi Paul Sunday is the winner. Enugu North, Enugu South, the bus driver who was victorious under Labour Party, his name is Atu Chimobi Sam, he is the winner. Ezagu Udi Federal Constituency, Sunday Siriakus Umeha is the winner under Labour Party. Igbo Etiti Uzowani Federal Constituency, Nwodo Stainless Chijioke is the winner. Igbo Eze North Udenu Federal Constituency, Dennis Nnamdi Abo is the winner. Nsukka Igbo Eze South Federal Constituency, Obeta Mark Chid is the winner. Coming to Imo State, Abombi Gobala Federal Constituency, Matthew Nwogu is the winner under Labour Party. Owerri Municipal, Owerri West, Owerri North Federal Constituency, Okere Tochukwu Chinedu is the winner. Kaduna Kora Federal Constituency, Kaura Federal Constituency, Matthew Donatus Kuzalio is the winner. That's the Okada rider who emerged the winner of Kaura Federal Constituency under Labour Party. Chikun Kajuru Federal Constituency, Ekene Abubakar Adams is the winner. Going to Lagos State, Etiosa Federal Constituency, Tedious Atta or Atta Chief is the winner with Labour Party. Ojo Federal Constituency, Oluwaseyi Ayopo Sowumi is the winner. Amowu Odofin Federal Constituency, Olawande George is the winner. Oshodi Isolo 1 Federal Constituency, Dawodu Bashiru Ayinla is the winner. But INEC, this is not the winner of this federal constituency, but INEC wrongly uploaded the wrong person. So Oshodi Isolo 2 Federal Constituency, Jesse Oke Joe Ono Akalosi is the winner. Then to Rivers State, Port Harcourt 1 Federal Constituency, Umezurike Monachim is the winner. Then FCT, Amak Buhari Federal Constituency, Obika Joshua Chinedu is the winner. 34 of them. So these are the 34 people that Buhari brought to power. Sorry, not Buhari, excuse me. Peter Obi brought to power. They rode on Peter Obi's back to emerge as the winners of their own constituencies. They are at the Green Chamber now because Peter Obi's influence took them there. Some of them were denied by PDP. They were denied ticket by PDP. Some of them were denied ticket by APC and they jumped to Labour Party. Not that all of them have integrity, no. Not that all of them can be compared with Peter Obi, no. But they jumped there because they felt that Peter Obi could help them, and here they are today, winners of their constituencies. Some of them not even campaign. Some of them we can't even see just their flyer, but they won. So that alone is enough to make them to remain in Labour Party, because I know most of them will decamp to either PDP or APC. When they feel like, oh, nothing is happening in Labour Party again, they will jump. But that is what is happening to some of these politicians who are just like unstable like the wave. But we should all give Peter Obi the credit. Without Peter Obi, most of them cannot even win, councillors in their local government, let alone federal constituency seats. Congrats to all of them.